How to create an account on RCG markets. Today I will show you exactly how we can do this. So let's start with this tutorial. So first of all, we go to sign up and click on register, and then we need to fill in all the details right here. Your phone number too, your email, your country of residence, your ID number, and that is standing on your driver license or on your passport. And for me it's this. So now everything is fine, and then we click on client agreement, privacy policy, conflict of interest, and this one. Oh, not that one, but this one. And then we do register. Then right now they need some documents from us. So what we're gonna do is continue, agree and continue. And then you need to send them your ID so they have the confirmation that it's myself. Right now we just already created an account, but now the following steps I will show you in a new video how to do this. But we have an account on RCG markets. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.